I never got to that story with the cars and all that. Maybe tomorrow. I can only do so much in one day. And we'll have Jethro Tull tomorrow. Thick as a brick on the station. About you, a guy and a girl, and then Giggle Cream, and all that. Can I put you in this car today, Bremer? Cadillac.
But I can't make you think. Your sperm's in the gutter, your love's in the sink.
I honestly think this is going to be a good video. I don't know, I mean, you guys woke me up. Whatever. I quit. No, you can't quit. I quit. Some strange music here. This is us, man. We're helping you, Bremer, man. It's intervention. Get back to rock and roll, man. All right? I'm winking at you, kid.